okay, you don't have to hurt yourself now. Okay. Thanks. See, I told you it was a mirror with a picture. See?
Ooh, what picture you didn't put in there?
Me. A picture of me. A picture of me. Mr. Little Girl. Oh, it's a drawer!
It's a jewelry box, too. See, you can put your rings right there. And put your other stuff right there.
Oh, look at Daddy.
For your necklaces. For your necklaces.
Uncle Andre.
I thought it was going with Carlos.
I don't know what Carlos said. And it's easier than the passport and all the food.
Yeah, that one too. That's from your brother.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what it said, right?
Yeah. Open it up for me.
I was looking for a babysitter, but I was
Lexi, are you finished? Are you finished? No. Is anything else over there?
Nothing.
Nothing at all. No more boxes over there in the corner?
Just one more.
Open that.
Maybe a trouble scrabble. And another box.
Here, I don't want it to be boxed. Yep, you're gonna make your granny pretty mad.
Grandma said that she said that we have Christmas over.
Look at all these presents I opened.
You have to call your Kiki back because it's her birthday.
Today's her birthday?
Kiki,
Oh yeah, on Christmas is her birthday. New rollerblade stuff!
Yes, sir. What are those? I can't see them. Oh, pads and that's a skate bag.
And what is this?
That's a skate bag.
I have a new bike.
That's a Barbie skate bag to put your rollerblades.
Dad.
You have a bag for them now. You can put all your stuff in your bag. See? That's pretty cool.
And your knee pads.
Yep.
Daddy, can I open that for you?
She said.
No.
She said she's paying her when she has to put carpet in the garage, and she sees you doing down.
No more?
No more? What's that up there?
What?
Against the wall.
Oh. That's a piano.
That's all? Just a piano? You didn't want a piano? I thought you'd be excited to see that.
I thought it was for Andre.
No, that's for you.
Can I play it?
Kind of strong.
I got one too.
Where's yours?
You have one of those?
Andrea.
See if she'll play with you back. Open the other side. The other side, babe. The right side.
Right? This part?
Yeah.
Isn't this the left?
That's your right.
Grandma, what do you want me to get? Is your door open?
And I never leave my car.
I know that.
Cool. What is
throw it out. Just throw it out. Mm-hmm. Open it up. Now just slide it out the top. Just stand up and slide it out of the box.
Here's a bag for you. Alexa.
Piano, it's my piano.
Oh, bag, so you put all that trash in it.
A piano, it's my piano.
I know before you.
I've seen it before you.
You right.
I've seen
And
it
don't be
before
trying to
you.
fuss with me about your presents. I take them. And you won't
Put
have
on the
any.
table, babe.
Here.
It'll bust the whole table.
Put it on the table.
Just put it right there at the edge. On that iron. You need some batteries.
You didn't turn
Push
it
it
on.
in.
There's a plug upstairs.
Could I what?
Under my.
No, you think I'm gonna climb those stairs?
I don't know where it is.
I am not climbing no stairs.
Go get the plug. It's in my nightstand by my phone. Take your shoes off.
Where? Oh, to pick up the kids? No, they went to Barstow then. And they ain't gonna be back till 2. They were supposed to do that tomorrow though, not today. But tell, is that Renee?
No, it's my daughter.
Well, tell her she can come over here.
Mom can come over here. Yeah, I want to come over here.
Ain't piano lessons now?
I'd like it to.
Just take it upstairs, Andrea.
That's dudes. That's
Andrea, take it upstairs.
His phone went out until the army died. That's out.
The other one over here. Oh, the black one went out?
Yeah.
She said hip hop.
Hip hop.
Don't be predictable, Bridget.
18.
That's this way for you. You gotta right here you gotta press style, then you gotta press hip hop.
what time you going on your mom?
Look at, hold on.
For the cake.
Bro, I can't do it while you playing it.
No, keep it still, babe.
Keep it.
When I finish picking up the paper, can we go skating with my new skates?
Maybe.
Why?
I want to.
Maybe Andrea can ride her bike with you.
Please,
While you skate.
Andrea.
Why you ready to go now?
Andrea, please.
I gotta dress
Wait
on.
till the cakes get done. We can ride
Look,
over
put
there.
my pants on.
Gotta dress on.
Mhm.
It's glued on. Okay. No, I'm gonna put it up.
But you too dark. I can barely get you. Your
Daddy.
shadow. Go on up that day.
Shut up.
Daddy, she's not going to help me.
I'm gonna give it this.
You made the mess.
No,
Okay.
I can't go outside by myself.
tools?
Yeah, I got enough to put the bike together.
His bike? I'm gonna wait till we get here and put his bike together with him.
Lexi,
You gonna help Andres
Like-
ride his bike?
help her put that trash away. She's helping you. You do it. Come on.
Well, your boy's supposed to be getting a big job pretty soon. Test site, so.
Who?
What's his name? KB. So if you get that big job,
I seen him last night there on the street. I was coming back to the building in my truck. He rolled the window down. I opened the door. He said, "What's wrong, man? You can't return my call?" I said, "All right." Just close the door. Tired of playing
what
that
phone
game,
calls,
man.
huh?
Yeah. Anybody called me.
Call.
If they call me, it's like nothing happened.
Yeah, if they call you just one time, the phone ring, huh?
Yeah. And,
They ain't leaving no messages. I hear you.
No, see? This is not a stick.
I know, I said, I was looking at the top.
$10 a week even.
I don't need salt.
It's not salt.
Man, they should have it so good,
It's to
so
keep it
good
fresh.
down there. If I'd have brought one of my paychecks home, it'd have choked me. It have fell over dead, man. And you're like, how you make it off of this?
There's a lot of them.
You gotta do what you gotta do, man.
How you make it off of this?
Since you're back, you can take some of your mail with you.
Yeah, I got some of it this morning, yesterday morning.
Brian, you just come right now.
Actually, I got all of it.
Let it pile up.
When you talk to your mom today, tell her that you want to keep
Lexi, those things there, you make sure you throw those in the trash. Yeah, you make sure you throw those in the trash. No, they don't. That's just for shipping.
I have to go over there and give us some merchandise.
Bless you. You letting Andrea do all your work. That's what it looks like.
Let me use the restroom. You trying to go anywhere? You want my Carlos's later?
Oh, Daddy, did you remember my new
probably
earrings
not.
Mommy got me for Christmas? They came with a ring
Where's the ring?
at
That'd
home.
be cool. Why didn't you wear it?
Because it was a toe ring and I couldn't wear it under my socks.
I'm sorry.
Hurry up, just put all that stuff in one big box.
In one big box.
Yep.
It's yours, Kiki.
Okay, throw the stuff away, babe.
Look what the party thing came with a door.
That's cool. It's backwards.
Oh.
Stop taping me.
Big old lips like your dad. Hey, your mom. See them lips. See them lips. Move, Andrea. See them lips. See them lips. Lip, 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 lip.
I hope it's not messing
The
with me.
lips. The lips. The lips. The lips. The lips.